Hi everyone, how are you all? So this is Junaid Khan, and in today's video, I will be talking about like the boot camp which I'm going to do this course. So this is the Pandas boot camp. This is the basic thing we should know while we are in the data analysis or data science or machine learning, whatever we are going to do. We that's Pandas is the backbone of each and everything. Okay, so let me show you what this course contain and what we are going to do in this. I'm going to upload at least 2 to 3 videos daily on this course, like the exercise which I'm going to do, and all the reels on the Instagram and everywhere where I can post. So just subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. So let's just get dive into this. So this is how the course looks like, and let me show you the first. So this is a getting started. Now here, what I'm going to do first, the data frame basic one. Okay, so here I will be uploading like head, tail, and all the basic operations we can perform on the pandas. Then after that, all the indexing. Because sometimes what happens now, like we are doing things, but we sometimes forget the basic things. So we should revise and upgrade ourselves to learn new things, so that we can code in the faster way, and we will learn and all the different things what we should do and what we should not. So this all the things will be contained in this course, I think. And because this course is of around 34 hours and it has 150 plus exercises on machine learning and finance and cycle, so we will see what this course contains and what's not. So I'm going to do all this in this course. And so you can see exercise panda series index objects, and after that creating pandas series, idx min idx max. I don't know, I use min max, and but I don't remember when I last time I used idx min, and I totally forgot about it. So I want to do all these things which we can improve our way. Okay, we can improve, and so that we can get a better hike. Okay, so we will just do that, and just connect with me over LinkedIn or Instagram, whatever, wherever you like. So I will be posting all the exercises of this because I have the access of this course. So you might be you do not have that. So what will I do? I will upload all the exercises in my Google Drive or GitHub. So from there, GitHub is better. Okay, so I will upload it on the GitHub, and you can download it from there, the exercise file and the answer file from there. And I will be doing it on live. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and we will do this course might be within 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, we will not extend it more than 2 to 3 weeks. So just stay connected with me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.